How's it going today, guys? So I know it's been a while since I've uploaded anything, and that is because I've had nothing to do and we've haven't been able to get parts for the Firebird, but I do have something small to do today. We have the Celica and a 12-inch subwoofer that I got from Zach, and we're just gonna throw it in real quick. Shouldn't take all that long because previous owners already have the signal wire, positive wire, and the actual audio jack wires. So hopefully it won't take all too long and hopefully everything works. If not, I have extra wiring just in case, but also have the amp down there that we're going to attach to here. I've got the metal straps here. We're going to be grounding it here, but first thing I'm going to do is get the amp hooked up to the power wires and whatnot. So that's going to be the first step on our mission. So let me get this cut and get the amp hooked up to power wire and all that stuff. Okay, quick update. These audio jacks are in. Power wire is in the, let me get this. Power wire is in the positive. Ground is in the ground, and then the signal wire is in the signal wire spot. Hopefully they're all secure enough. If not, I can retighten them later. I need to ground out this one still, like mount it to the chassis. The next step is to get the speaker, the sub out, positive and negative, screwed in there, which I have the wires to hook up to the sub, just some speaker wire there to go to that. And then, oh, we also have the sub controller that needs to go into the amp as well. So that'll be nice to have as well. So let me get this set back into there so we've got a bit more space to work with, and get that grounded out and get the speaker wires hooked up. Okay, so the sub controller is plugged in down there. I've got the positive and negative. Brown is negative, white is positive. And so these, of course, are just going to be going into the positive and negative here, and then we can give it a test and see if it thumps. I also have some straps to tie it down to these latches, so let's get it hooked up. Now obviously I had it turned up for dramatic effect, but it's working and it's thumping. So I'm gonna get it strapped down, get this mounted up by me so I can control it a lot easier. And yeah, there you go. I'm gonna secure all this, make this tidied up a bit, but she do be working, and I know that this video was incredibly short. I do also want to do a quick update regarding the Firebird. I have the stuff to get the clutch in, except for the bolts. It's a long story, but basically the pilot bearing was wrong, so I got a new one, and then the clutch bolts are wrong, so I have to get a new one still. But and then I have to get some more parts, but more Firebird 4200 stuff is on the way. But I figured this might be a nice, this might be a nice little filler for you guys. So just remember to like, subscribe, and we will see you guys when we see you, I guess. So hopefully we can get more content out, but it is slowing down during the winter. But anyway, see you guys next time.